In this episode, I go over a speed hump, CHBK gets stopped by a van, and the camera falls over.
Hello and welcome to the Cycling Adventures Show.
And this is episode 2, and if you haven't noticed, it is up every Friday.
Yep, last week it was on Friday, this week it is on Friday, and it will be the same for the next couple of weeks.
Yes, and if you notice, before this episode thingy, we had uploaded a few Cycling Adventures show. So what we've done is we've took them down and we're going to display it in this show.
Yes, so
And-
we have more episodes, we can't make so many now that school started.
So now, second episode, what we have decided to do is find the best cycling route to give some consumer advice.
Well, the best cycling road in our estate.
Yeah, so if you're watching this, yeah, it's you. This is the video for you.
It's the Hougang estate actually. If you are in Jurong, then go find one yourself. We're not gonna find one for you.
Anyway, okay, you'd like to bring the camera
Yeah,
forward?
true. You're gonna look at more maps.
I'll zoom in. We've done here right beside our primary school.
Yes.
We've went from here to here,
Yes.
which is not the best cycling road we established.
No.
And we
No.
then we went to many, and we then found the best cycling road is from here, all the way here. As
Along
you
the water.
As you shall now see in the film. Let's
Yes.
play the tape.
So what we have, this challenge that we're doing,
Is to find the best cycling road in this estate, which is Hougang or Hougang.
we've not been here before, don't be mistaken.
No, we've been here before, but we haven't looked for the best road.
Yeah, I stay in,
Somewhere near here,
yes.
but he never bothered looking for it.
Yeah,
I
so-
stay somewhere near here, but I didn't bother looking for it.
So, we've come to what we thought the best cycling road.
And look, that's our primary school there.
Yeah. Shall we do a review on this stupid road?
You mean this paper?
Yeah.
Just don't get hit by cars. That's all I can say.
Okay, ready? Let's go.
Okay, ready?
No, why don't you go first? Because I'm recording. So, what do you think about? I think it's quite smooth. Ouch! This is very smooth, very smooth so far. Oh, cock. Not very. So this is this is ouch, definitely not the best road. So
So we're gonna stop here, and then we're gonna look for another place where we think it might be the best road, and then we're gonna get back to you.
yep, and
Peace out, bitch.
we have come to what is a noisy little place with a car road.
And now the place that we think might be the best road is right there. See that stretch of road, that downhill route over
Yeah, but that's a road, that's a normal road.
Yeah.
That's
But you see, going downhill, it might just be the best road, but going uphill is just shit.
yeah.
Shall
Let's
we?
start moving.
Go, baby. We're going downhill.
At a speed of 11 kilometers per hour. 13. It's not very good. It's not very good, is it?
Maybe
This
that was
is-
bouncy.
There was a speed hump.
Yeah, that speed hump just for it though.
It was actually quite perfect, but it's a bit rough. So we'll see you when we find what we think is another best road.
Yep.
Until next time, bye. Hello everybody.
Once again, we're back.
We've come to what we thought is another smooth road.
Look at that.
It's very
Just
smooth.
Out there, on a little bit of left turn, and then into the shelter, and then out, and another kind of road like
This is actually a void deck, which is meant for walking.
Look up.
Yeah, you can't drive a car here.
This is
You-
for cycling
it's actually
and walking.
it's not actually for cycling, but people cycle here, so we don't care. Okay, let's go.
Let's go do this.
It's a bit weird. Oh, another cyclist. It's a bit too slippery, Honkai. Whoa, I'm drifting all the way.
Did you even see my right mountain?
Yeah.
That wasn't nice, okay? That wasn't nice.
I'm sorry, we just had a look at this texture. Sorry.
Don't look at that shit on the floor.
It is ugly. It is very smooth. I have to admit, it's very smooth, but it's a bit too smooth. When I hit the brake, I just fly. I just glide.
Yeah.
But my wheels are quite thick. Okay. So we will go to
And look
what?
at my bike, it's old. It's way worse than that.
Yeah. Okay, so we will come.
We will be back with the next one.
Okay, we are on our way to what we think.
Might be the best road.
Yeah, because it is actually the road that we're visiting is actually a cycling road. It's actually
Man for cycling.
It's actually finally a road meant for cycling. Well, that's the road for cars. That's the road for cars, but you can cycle there. It's quite smooth, but it's not that smooth. So we're not gonna do a review of that.
Some road works over there. So it's not safe.
So yeah, so we advise you not to cycle on road because it's obviously very dangerous. And let's go.
Come on, the car is coming. Hey, I'm cycling on the car road.
Yeah, but we're not gonna do a review. We strongly disencourage cycling. Ow, my face. We strongly disencourage cycling on this road. We strongly.
My legs wet because of the water on the floor.
Oh, that's a very nice Audi. Probably, no, we have to censor the number plate. And go on by this side. And on the journey, we shall be back. I'm sure, okay, this time, I'm very sure that this is the best road. This is meant for cycling.
I mean, look, oh, look at that. It's the kindness lion.
Yeah, it is actually meant for cycling. It's not meant for cars. Not meant for. There's meant for people walking, but you might bang them. But that's.
I mean,
alright.
jogging. And then there are houses over there. One of our friends lived there, and one of our friends used to live there. And
It's a
this
bit-
is 2 km from Sengkang Riverside Park, but we're not going there. We're just gonna cycle there a bit.
Would you like to go ahead of me?
Hell yeah! And I see that dog in front of us. Oh yeah.
You are. It is so. It makes your bicycle go faster because of the friction against the ground. No, Honkai, you know this road actually makes you cycle faster. Yeah,
You can feel the wind. Look at your hair.
it actually makes you feel that you're very fast because there's just so much grip. There's not too much and not too less.
Fun. Amazing.
Amazing. I just feel retarded recording this now.
Enjoy the road.
Coming in for an overtake. At accelerated up to. No, I'm gonna cut you off.
You wanna pause a while?
Yeah, maybe. Okay, so see you later. Okay, we're back.
We're back. And you can see it's an onboard cam from my basket, not CMK Gamer anymore.
Yeah.
Okay, we just have to support this thing in case it falls off. We don't have some professional standing thing or what.
Oh shit.
Okay, so let's go. We don't have much time on this thing because the ramming is running low.
So likely I will overtake. I will overtake in that professional style. Okay, Honkai, go first.
That's because I have to go gentle, dude. And you can see I'm going forward. And you just saw a shirtless man. Hold on, it just fell.
Yeah.
now you're seeing me holding the camera. The camera's in my hands. And you can still see me catching him. But damn it, he's fast. I'm tired already.
And
Yeah.
thanks for watching.
That was the greatest road in the world, man.
Yep, thanks for watching. No!
No faces for him. Yeah, that was great, baby. That was great. Fuel station. Okay, that's done.
Thank you
That's a
for
wrap,
watching.
people.
And that was the film.
Yes, indeed.
So we've established people who live near us. That's the road you should go to if you want to cycle. It leads all the way to
The ocean.
yes.
It does. Well, the water beside it, not the road.
It leads all the way to Malaysia.
It does. Which means it leads to, I'm thinking, the river now.
Which you lead to Thailand, into China, into
It will lead to my
Russia,
ass.
into and yes, and one thing you'd like to say about the person?
Oh yes, right. So recently, Michael Schumacher, F1 racing legend, seven-time world champion, crashed on a ski and injured his brain. Sadly, he had to spend his birthday in a coma on his bed.
So on this show we would like to wish him a very speedy recovery.
Yeah, the whole CM Care Productions team do genuinely wish you a speedy recovery.
If you're watching this, which you're probably not.
Or fans of him.
Yes. So yeah.
Get well soon, Shumi. Goodbye.
Goodbye.